Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how we can fix the product activation failed in Word, Excel or PowerPoint. So if you have ever come across this screen which says Word product activation failed, you can fix this by going to your computer. So if you go to your this PC and go to your local disk C, you can find program files. So if you go for program files, you'll find Microsoft Office. So when you go to Office, there's Office 16. Yours might be different, like Office 12, Office 10. Mine is 16. So if you go to Office 16 and you scroll down and you look for a file that's called OSPBREARM. So yeah, if you find this one, what you have to do is you have to right click on this one and run this as an administrator. So if you run this and you click yes, and then that's run once this one closes, so do that again and run as administrator, yes, and then right click and run as administrator again. Once you do this couple of times, you make sure you close your Word, Excel or PowerPoint, whatever you're opening, and you want to see if it's fixed. So once you click on Word, now you can see that when Word opens now, you do not find the product activation failed anymore. And that's the same with Excel, PowerPoint, or whatever Microsoft products that you're using. So if you can see Excel, that one also without any activation failed message. So that's all for now. If you have any issues with this, please comment and we'll see what we can do for you.